Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making another recipe from the all-you-can-eat Miniverse kit. I've already done the first two, so next up we have the macaron cake. This one looks very cute, so let's get down the stuff. We have a chocolate cake. We have our macarons. And then what I thought was weird, the resin for this one isn't a bottle labeled cola. You can tell because they do change the shapes of the bottles. That's a syrup one, that's a glaze one, and that's a drink one. So, kind of weird. You think it would just be in like in a chocolate icing or a syrup bottle. But it says to put the resin all over, you could drip it down, and then we're going to cut the macarons and then place them on top and on the different layers. So, let's see how that works. I guess we also need the display platter as well. From what I could tell on the paper, they only used 3, so 1 of each color. Of course you could do it however you want, but I guess you could put some on the other sides going around it. I'm not sure what I'll do yet. That was just a sticker. I need to cut it from back here. But this little all-you-can-eat set is like a carrying case, and then it comes with 5 recipes and then a whole bunch of extra stuff, so you have enough stuff where you can make like cereal, peanut butter jelly, stuff like that. These are cute. I'm gonna set those in here. And let's see how easy these are to cut. Oh, not bad. It's okay if they're a little uneven because you're going to be putting them in the resin, and that'll probably hide it a little bit, I would think. So I'll start out with these. You know what, I probably actually might add more. And then with the leftover ones, you can make actual macarons out of them if you wanted to. I'm going to grab a nozzle. Guess there's one on the shelf. I could have used that one. I always used to be so opposed to using the nozzles, but it's way easier now. I'm gonna let this sit on the side too, or at an angle, so it comes down to the tip where we need it. Okay, I think this is gonna get really messy. I have a feeling. The picture actually looks like it's completely covered in this resin. On the one side it shows like it dripping, but then on the other side where it shows the finished product, it looks like it's completely covered. So we'll see. I'm gonna start with the bottom layer and then I'll cure it so that I can hold it, and then I will do the top part. That's how I typically handle the cakes. And I think it's gonna drip a little over naturally. There goes my table. If I put the macarons on, so let me try setting them there and see if it pushes them down. So they have a chocolate one, kind of like that, with a pink one in front of it. And then down here they have a green one and a pink one. And I think that's the one I'm concerned about the most. I think I'm going to take the green one and kind of, since the resin's already there, stick that there. I don't know that I'll have them going around the whole cake, but I am going to go cure that so it doesn't cover it up. I did have this outside, so that's all set. Probably added too much resin. I don't know. I am concerned about this top part though, because I don't know how you can get them to stand up unless you're holding each bit as it's curing, and that seems like a pain because I know exactly what's going to happen. They're just going to fall over because there's no base to them. but I might just lay them flat. I guess I could try to lay them against each other, but I think they're just going to fall over. That's my theory. But I will put enough resin on here, push it towards the edges. You can take a toothpick and kind of pull it like that if you want it to drip down. So let's see, they have one sticking up. Maybe that will work. I was doubting it, but I guess that is a thicker part, so it could. Then they have pink one in the back. Oh no, 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 no. Uh-oh. Okay, I think I pushed a bunch of the resin off the back. I'm gonna run that outside and dry it. So it's all dry now. The green one did fall over, but the other two stayed upright, but I think it still looks okay. But I have 2 more recipes from the all-you-can-eat mini-verse set left, so if you want to see me make them, subscribe and stay tuned.